Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today we will learn another new eye makeup, and it's a partial smoky kind of eye makeup with two colors, that is the brown and the pink one. Firstly, I'm depositing the brown color over the outer edges of the eye with the help of blending brush, and the brushes I'm using from the set Bellie. And if you want to see the color I have taken from the palette, which is pretty all set you can be, you can reverse the video and take the screenshot. Again, taking the darkest brown color with the help of blending brush and depositing it over the outer edges, as you can see. Now with the help of big blending brush, blending the color after giving depthness to the color. Now with the help of flat applicator, apply the transition shade over the inner corner of the eye, as you can see. Now take in the pink color of eyeshadow with the help of flat applicator, applying it over the inner corner in a way. Blend it till you get the natural effect. Now using the gel liner from the brand Forever 52 with the number GT001 and applying it with the help of liner brush in a direction you can see, because we will going to smudge it. Here it is after smudging. Taking the blending brush to blend all the crease line. Now you can see the look after lashes. Again going to do the under eye for this using the Forever 52 gel liner and applying it with the help of liner brush to the lower lash line. The lashes I'm using from Bombay Vanity with number H22. Now going to smudge the under eye with the help of smudging brush. The color you need to take in is the darkest brown. Now applying the mascara to the lower lashes of the eye, and the mascara I'm using from the brand Maybelline Colossal. So completing the look, here is the final look in front of you. If you love our work, then support us. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Till then, keep practicing, and this type of makeup you can use in any kind of occasion. So bye bye. Take care. Thank you.